Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going over Q2 of the weekly contest 318, maximum sum of distinct subarray with length k. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this problem. So this one, at the risk of being a little bit lazy and not really going over it too much, but it's going to be sliding window. And you could kind of see, the logic is that given here, you just there are two things you have to keep track of, right? A length of a subarray k and auto elements are distinct. And there are a couple of ways you can do it. I'll show you my way in a second. But the way with a sliding window is that, okay, let's say you have a window of this amount, and then you do some amount to move it from left to right. So you, from here to here, right? And then also again from here to here, for example. And the idea to kind of do it effectively and efficiently, otherwise, 10 to the fifth is going to be, you do something that's n squared, that's going to be too slow, no bueno, right? So if you kind of do it with something that's over 1 or over even log n, that should be okay. And what I'm talking about is extending and then removing, or in some order, you could have done the other way as well. The way that I chose to do it is by using a counter. So basically here we keep the current, just tracks the current sum of the stuff that's within the span. So you have a thing that we add to the right side of the boundary. I don't know if these videos are flipped, so maybe I'm wrong. But you move one to the right, and then here, if the left is in bound, we move it to the left. And one thing that I do is that, and this is just to keep track of the counter. And if the counter reaches 0, we could delete it. This is so that later we can check the length to see how many distinct numbers there are. And if the number of distinct numbers is k, then we can use the current sum, and that's pretty much it. And of course, as we slide out, we subtract it from the total of the interval in the middle. That's pretty much it. This is going to be O of n, linear time, linear space because of this scene thing. Yeah, or you could also say maybe O of k space, but yeah. That's pretty much all I have. So yeah, you could watch me solve live in the contest next. And one thing is that I actually had an off by 1. So kind of luckily you could see my thought process about fixing it before submitting. So yeah, check that out. Okay. A little bit slow, but that's okay. Hard to read. Link with the subarray k. Okay. What am I doing? Oops. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's actually, I want to submit, but I actually want to check real quick. It's okay to slow down a little bit. because this should actually have more objects, I think. So it should be 154, right? So that means there's something wrong with this. Oh, why though? So 429 is really wrong. Oh, right is the index, not num subarray. So 429, this is right, but the other ones are not. Why? Oh, this is +1, I think. Whoops, that's why. I mean, that saved me 5 minutes, even though that took me 2 longer minutes. Okay. Very easy mistake to make. Okay, fine. Might have other mistakes, but it is okay. Save me 5 minutes or 3 minutes or whatever it is. Hey, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about, you know, this problem, this contest, everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later and take care. Bye bye.